everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today's video is called Wreaths Galore. It's an open invitation collaboration and it is about spring because spring is blooming. Wreaths Galore is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, and Deborah Kabasa Home Living. Now, there are some co-hosts. Let me read them off to you because there's a lot of them. Design with Emma, Mabel's Tables, Creations by Simone, Annalise Cupboard, Debbie Bubbles, J-Mom Creation, Mercy Beauty of Styles, Sasu Glam Style, Miriam Creative Corner, Rob and Summer, and It's Me, Robin. So I'm going to post all the links to these channels in my description box below. You guys swing on by to these channels and take a look. I think that you'll be surprised at the awesome content that you'll find on these channels. Okay, so y'all know I'm not a big DIY person. And I have never made a wreath, okay? Now, these other hosts, they're probably a lot better than I am. I know a few of them for sure are, the main hosts, okay? Now, so look, check this out. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a wreath. Then the next thing I picked up was this beautiful pastel wired ribbon. It's 3 yards. So I have 2 of those. And then I had some of these florals, and then I picked up a few more of these from the Dollar Tree to make it look springy. So, you know, if I actually pull it off, I might actually hang it on my front door because right now I don't have anything on there. Then what I thought that I would plan to do is I did pick this up at the Dollar Tree as well. So the idea is that then I'm going to hang this. I'm going to see if I can pull this off, you guys. Leave this to hook onto my door and kind of put this in the middle with these flowers down the bottom. So y'all think I can do that? I don't know. Hey, look, if this doesn't work out, I won't be doing any more DIY wreaths, okay? So let's see if we can pull this off, all right? Now, let me see here. The first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put this ribbon around the wreath. So keep watching. Okay, guys, so look, I have the wreath, I have the ribbon at the top, right? So the reason why I didn't wrap it around the bottom part yet is because I have to figure out how I'm going to get these, how am I going to get these down in here? Okay, so let me figure that out and see how I get that going, and then I'll bring you back because I might have to. Well, let me figure it out because I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna do that, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so that was really easy to figure out. Look, check it out. I have to cut these thicker ends off because there's no way I'm gonna be able to, you know, get these stems down in here. So I'm gonna keep on going around with the ribbon. And this is pretty, isn't it? Look at this. I'm getting it. So I'm going to go ahead around with the ribbon, and then I'm going to cut some more of these stems off, and then we're going to, I'm going to place this at the bottom. So, you know, just to save some time in this video, I'm going to wrap the rest of this, and then I'll bring you guys right back. Keep watching. So I have a portico on my front, but I don't know, like, sometimes if it rains, rain could still get on the wreath. So I don't know how well this ribbon would hold up. So if I can't put it outside, I guess I could put it inside. All right. Okay, so now the idea is that I'm going to hot glue these on. So this makes it a lot easier. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to hot glue these beautiful florals from the Dollar Tree on, and then the last thing I'm going to try to do is to put this on last, okay, on the other side. Okay, this is so much fun. It's a challenge because I'm not that artistic, okay, but I'm becoming an artiste. A DIY craft artiste. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, this is what I've done so far. So I have these. I wanted to keep these so they can kind of extend out some. So I wrapped them up with a ribbon. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off some of these stems because I don't like all these additional leaves. I'm going to cut some of them back. And then I cut some of these back, I trim these all back. And so what I plan to do now is just to incorporate some of these other florals, just to kind of give it a mix of different colors. And then the idea is that I'll be able to hot glue this in back and it'll look something like this. So that's what I'm working on now. So, guys, this is more than a notion. And I don't have the right tools. When I was in Hobby Lobby, I was rushing one day and I said, I know I need to get some wire cutters, but I didn't get them. And I don't know why, but I didn't. So now, as you guys know, like I said, if I put 3 white florals on this side, I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to do 3 on this side. So I would do 3 on this side and then 3 on the other. So whatever I do to one side, when I'm adding florals, I always do to the other. So let me see how I can make this all come alive. All right, keep watching. I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what I'm looking like so far. So I'm going to try to cover this up with something. because I really am using that as, you know, like a foundation to hold these all into place. You know, because I wanted them to be out. I think these might be out a little bit too far. But that's what we're looking like so far. So I'm going to tighten that up and I'll be back. Keep watching. Okay, guys, so I covered this area up here. And it looks like I have more on this side than I do on this side, but they're the same. So, oh, I know why, because some of them are coming back here in the back. So let me manipulate these a little bit. All right, guys, so now I'm going to put on my placard. I hope this works. Good, wait, I need some more glue. All right, guys, keep watching. Let me add some more glue. Glue this on here real good. Ooh. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to have to do now is to let this dry. Okay, I'm gonna try to ease this around so we can see what it's looking like so far. So this is it. Here's the reveal. Okay, guys, I think this is not too bad for a novice. This is my Easter or spring wreath. Not too bad, but I think I'm gonna stick to my day job. But in any event, hey, look, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and more. Don't forget to click on the hashtag so that you can see all of the other co-content creators' contributions to the Wreaths Galore. Okay? And I hope that you guys all have an amazing day. And until the next one, bye-bye.